Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of high-end decorative canisters. So what you're going to need some of this gold bling wrap. It is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you will need 2 of these glass canisters. They can really be whatever canisters they have in stock that you happen to like. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. Now you're also going to need 2 of these taper candle holders. I will be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project. But if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use additional items or alternate items, I will list those in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started.